Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday and I started my day with an order. As you can see, I'm looking all tired. I've been baking a cake for a client, a customer. Yes, and I'll soon be decorating it, but I won't be showing that in this vlog. I'm going to make a separate video for the cake decoration, so watch out for the video. Yes, if I've posted the video before this vlog, I will leave it linked so you can go and watch it. Yes, yeah, so that's what I've been doing, baking and packing. Yes, I've also been packing. See what my bed situation is like. I've been packing. See my box. I'm going to see my mom tomorrow. I haven't seen her in a while. This sun, yeah, I haven't seen her in a while, so I'll be going home to see them, and I don't know how long I'm going to stay. Yeah, probably till something brings me back, maybe an order or work or something. Yeah, so I think I'll spend some time there, and yeah, so I'll be vlogging at home from tomorrow, so stay tuned guys. So let me show you guys my cakes I'm about to decorate. This is what my table looks like right now. 4 layers of cakes, 2 vanilla and 2 chocolate layers. Guys, at this point I am tired.com. I just finished decorating the cake and tired. I'm delivering this tomorrow, and I'm also, like I said earlier, I'm also going home tomorrow. Let me show you guys what I made. Sneak peek. I'm going to drop the video of this cake decoration. Make sure to go and watch it, and please show me all the love on my video, okay? I see my shirt, my customized shirt. Yes, I'm a proud Ninja baker. Sugar to the world. Yes, I've had this shirt for a very long time. This is the first time I'm wearing it. I used it to film the cake decoration video. Yes, see all the tools. Some of the tools we use. I think it's a donut. Yeah, it's a very lovely shirt. Go and carry load. Go and carry load in the car. Leave me alone. See your wet hands. You are washing clothes. I guess you will hug me. Oh yeah, leave me. Go and carry. Somebody is waiting for to move. Go and carry the load in the car. Okay, clap for Kiki. If you don't clap, I won't allow you go. Clap for Kiki. You don't want to answer me. Show me your head. Show me your head. Good boy. Clap for Bobo. Roll. I said clap. Use your hand to clap. Yeah, use your mouth to clap, baby.
visiting there, babe. Yeah, I didn't know she really made us almost everybody understood.
All of them just that. Mama K. We used to call her Mama K. That was much longer. Just no more. Another woman.
One more.
It's now.
My sister, this one I check it. I can't do. This one I check it. Oh my God. Where are you going? In Car Village. What? What is 70 So you remember all these things? I can't. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you were in Car Village to do what? Empty bottle. What is empty bottle? I'm
And nice your work, man. Sawako. Soft work. Sawako.
Come back to me. No one cares for me. She go my darling, come back to me. She go my darling, she go company. She go my darling, come back to me. Where can you go for this? Let's go for this. Stop. Hero. I can see in your eyes. Is that also the video is snapshot? She died. She did not confess. She died. Adamu confessed. And so they keep watching shop time.
You see how many that
What was your best moment in school?
I had so much memory of these things. I can't remember. I can't pinpoint at one.
Okay.
When we used to have our parties, when we used to have our disco, all girls. We were always looking for us. That was my best.
Okay. What were you always being punished for?
I can't remember any punishment.
Okay, so you are not mischievous.
I was, but I had my way out.
Okay.
I will not get caught.
But, okay. All right. Hi guys, it's been a week since I last vlogged. Yes, since the what's it called now? Since my mom hosted her secondary school mates. Yes, I think that was the last time I vlogged, and it's over a week now. Story of my life. Yeah, I'm still in my family house. If you can hear any external voice, it's the noise from the TV. I'm seated outside, but I can hear it very, very loud. Okay, I'm just resting out here. I just finished making POCHO, chicken POCHO. an ogbono soup with swallow. Yes, and I've downloaded my own share. I'm sitting out here resting. I just thought to check it up on you guys. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you're doing well. I'm enjoying my stay family house, so somehow. I thought to end this vlog. I mean, let me not make it too long and too boring, right? Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. As usual, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Ignore the way I'm looking. So yeah, just leave myself as I am, like this. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.